We have made SnapGPT experience more contextually aware and more conversational. So if you look at, so just like you interact with ChatGPT, you can interact with SnapGPT as well. So when I just say hi, SnapGPT comes back with, so it tells me what all it can do for me, right? It can help you understand the current pipeline, what's on the canvas. It can make modifications to the existing pipeline, or maybe it can create a new pipeline. Now I'm just gonna respond back with one, and here it understands that, okay, I'm referring to the list that was provided earlier. So it's gonna help me understand the pipeline that is on the canvas. So this is that documentation feature that you are already very familiar with. So it tells me what this pipeline does. So it gives you a summary and what each of the snaps does. So taking this conversational thing further, here I'm kind of telling SnapGPT, okay, now I want to modify this pipeline in certain way. So I'm telling it, I'm being very vague, right? So I tell it that, okay, I only want data from a specific industry. I'm not telling it what to modify within the pipeline. And I'm just asking it whether it can suggest some modifications to it. So here it interprets that, okay, it needs to filter data only for the insurance industry, and it gives me these are some of the changes that it wants to do, right? So I import it into a new tab, rename that pipeline, and I'll show you what that looks like. So going back to the original pipeline in the Salesforce read, the where clause is empty, so I'm looking at all the accounts. But if I go to the new pipeline, it has added a where clause. So industry is equal to insurance. So you see this, how you can simply explain what you want to do to SnapGPT, and it can help you get to where you, whether that's getting documentation or whether that's modifying the pipeline.